Good morning, guys. We're out here in Pattaya, Thailand. We escaped the earthquakes up north and have headed down here. Hopefully there's no tsunamis to wash away our dreams. But yeah, right now we're heading to the gym. We're headed to Muscle Factory, one of the best gyms in Thailand. And then afterwards, we're gonna show you guys the villa tour. Then we're gonna maybe get punched in the face, do some boxing, and then head to the beach club. And then just have a really good time out here. Because if it is the end of the world, why not have a fun time, right?
Exactly.
Cool. Yeah, so we're heading to the gym now. We're about 5 minutes away, so we will see you guys over there. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and hit some squats. Might not want to be doing them right now. You know, don't want to, but it means we have to. We have to. So we're gonna go find a squat rack and get started.
Ten sets of where we drop him.
Huh?
10 sets of where we drop him.
10 sets of the tower just collapsed in Bangkok. And now you're hanging on to the ledge until the firefighters come save you. Alright guys, this morning's been an absolute W so far. I got a close. And Rom, what happened with you?
I also got a set to close as well out here in Pattaya. Just been traveling around and luckily I was able to land close. So I'm very grateful for that, guys.
First one. Pop the cherry. And I mean, technically, would you say that's passive income?
Semi-passive income, to be quite frank. There were some inputs going into it.
Yeah.
But to be honest, guys, the mobility is number one, always.
Yeah, I think we were like hitting the last workout. We were like doing some curls, and then he got the message: money in the door. So we're getting the financial gains and the physical gains. All right, guys. Right now, we're at an outlet mall out here in Pattaya, searching for some swim trunks, and we have no luck so far. Halfway through the mall, haven't found any. Ram might have found one, but objections weren't handled. It wasn't sold. Alex, found any you like so far?
No, but I think Polo and Playboy will have some.
Yeah, we're going to go to Playboy now. Maybe they have some swim trunks, but we'll find out in a second. Alright guys, as you can see, we copped some new swim trunks and the sun is coming out. We thought the day was over when the clouds started coming out, it started raining, but we're still good to go for the club. But before we go there, I'll give you guys a quick villa tour and I'll show you guys around. So let's go ahead and follow me. We'll go ahead and get started. This is the living room. Look at this, guys. And then we can walk in here. We have the kitchen. We've got pretty much unlimited coffee. And if I were to guess like how much the place would cost to like buy, probably be like 6 million, 5 million USD. Not just because of the place, but because of the amenities as well. Like we have these two little Supreme teddy bears. Smells like money. Yeah, that's enough downstairs. I think we have 2 bedrooms. We have one right there, and then one on this little bathroom. And we can do some karaoke. I was singing some Chinese music yesterday. It was like Qing, Yin, Yang, that type of stuff. Alright guys, we got some more cool stuff. We got like a golden horse, golden chalice, and deer ears made of gold. Parrot of the horse. The Statue of Liberty, bringing New York to Pattaya. That's like a little chessboard design. And then we got a room there, a room there. This is where I'm staying. We're not gonna go in there. Just because after one night, it's already very messy. You guys don't wanna see that. We have the balcony there. And then the master bedroom. I think Eric or John, he's sleeping in there right now. So we're not gonna go bother him. But yeah, I think it's got like 6 bedrooms. So yeah, pretty decent place. Pretty decent. It's like, we split it between like 9 guys. So I think it's like like $93 per person. So not bad at all. But yeah guys, that's it for the tour. Just a quick one. We're gonna go ahead and see you guys at the beach club. All right guys, we just got here to the beach club called Alexa or something. So yeah, we're just gonna order some food, some snacks, maybe some more coffees, get some content in, enjoy the day. Hopefully the sun comes out a little bit more, but for now, we're chilling. It's Sunday, recovery day. So we're gonna recover properly. Oh, just yeah, should we trade or which one should we wear? I wear this, or you wear this? I wear this.
Okay.
1,000 baht for both of these tables. That's like the minimum spend. So we're balling out today, unfortunately. But yeah, the sun is finally coming out now. We're gonna be able to tan, acquire the vitamin D, increase the test, and get some more success. Alex, you know I do like remote sales. I'm a remote closer. But what do you do? How do you like travel the world and make money? All that stuff.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty similar. I just do personal branding, but obviously like they're almost similar. It's just like the other 50%. Instead of just closing for someone else offer, I just sell my own stuff. So I kind of still do remote sales, but just closing for myself, for my own personal brand. So I just make videos online and I attract people to my page, and then I just sell them either on fitness coaching or business coaching or different types of other products. So that's it. Yeah.
So like if you're just starting out, like let's just say you're me 2 or 3 years ago with no personal brand, remote sales is the best way to go. But Alex, I mean you've been doing personal branding for like 6-8 years.
Yeah,
like
bro, like 7 years, bro. I mean, yeah, but that's usually the end goal. But in the beginning, if you just want to make money like super fast, maybe that's not like the best way. I would still start doing it, but expect to make some money maybe in like 3 to 6 months, rather than like with remote sales. Like you can literally just start, like land a good job, and then you can just start making money literally from like next week, to be honest. So
yeah, exactly.
Just way faster, yeah.
Yeah, personal branding is more of like chess, like the long game, and then remote sales is checkers. Like you just start it right away. 100%. And now we're able to travel, live on change.
The sun is finally here. One more to be.
Alright guys, we just got the food, we got the smoothies. I'm gonna chow down, get the protein in. And might go get some jet skis if we can find some. Alright guys, so apparently, how much is it?
450 baht for one coconut.
It's 450 baht a coconut when it's usually like, what is the usual price of a coconut?
Like 70.
So they're 10xing their price. We got scammed, but they are pretty good coconuts.
Golden coconut.
We got like maybe 5 or 6 coconuts.
They grow in heaven.
Huh?
If they grow them in heaven.
Are they made of gold or what?
Monkey go take them.
These are high ticket coconuts. They have a landing page and everything.
Yeah, it's a high ticket offer.
But yeah, we've enjoyed a few Coronas at this point, having a good time. Definitely recovered from the earthquake. We're back in business. Business is booming. Except for the coconuts. But we'll handle that in a little bit.
1K baht for coconut. You spend 1K baht for coconut.
We've spent how much?
1,000 baht.
We've spent 1,000 baht.
No, 1,500.
We've spent 1,500 baht just on coconuts.
But who drinks them? Did you order them?
I think I ordered 2.
I ordered 2.
I thought they were 60 baht.
60 baht.
Whoa,
You
don't.
gotta start looking at the menu.
No way, it doesn't 60 baht.
It's fine, right?
Maximum 100 baht, bro.
Because you were talking.
Yeah.
Worth it. Bro, no, that's a colada. That's not a fresh coconut. That's a drink.
Hold on.
Okay, guys. You guys might have got scammed. They're looking at the menu. It's not the fresh coconuts that I've been drinking. That's the pina colada. They're out of their minds. Look, pina colada. Look at them.
Okay, false alarm. False alarm.
Bro, the ultimate scam.
False information. Yeah.
Yeah, we have fire music over there. It's like Escape from Africa, like that movie. Definitely the same level of vibes. You escaped the earthquake. Now we're just enjoying life out here in Pattaya. Escaping the degeneracy as well. This is definitely the peak of Pattaya. There's no better place to be in Pattaya than right here, right now. So, let's go. They got the little filming thing.
Yeah. Wait, it's the same camera as well.
Ah, yeah. Oh shit, man.
Yeah. Woo! Let's go.
So what I wanted.
brain in order to function properly. Even if you're on the
Can I say something? Yeah, it's been a good day today. You know, it seems like everyone had a good vibe. Everyone had fun at the beach club, and looking forward to jet skis tomorrow.
What's up, guys? We just got done with the clubbing. Now we're going back home. We're starting a fight club out here in Pattaya. We're gonna get hit in the face. We're gonna lose some more brain cells. We've lost enough already from the club. We've recovered from the earthquake, but now we're gonna take things to the next level. We're gonna start another fight club out here. And Eric, with the fight club that we're starting tonight out here in Pattaya, are you ready for it?
Wait, sorry again?
For the fight club for tonight, are you ready?
6 days
We're doing fight club tonight.
rest on Sunday. Go to fucking
He does not even know what's going on.
I think I'm ready.
He's sold.
I think I'm ready.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know if the other guy's ready though.
You gotta have that mindset.
Yeah. It's like Mike Tyson always says, like, you always plan for a fight, but the plan falls out the window when
Everything is a fucking goal.
Exactly.
You want a business,
It could happen right
so do
here in
other
this
men.
Yeah.
You want a
This is
girl,
for all
so do
of us.
other people. Okay, get this on the fucking camera. There is nothing stopping you from achieving your goals. All you have to do is stop working a fucking job, stop being a slave, go all in, all fucking in. Spiritually, mentally, financially, everything. Build your habits as a fucking man and become unstoppable. Build that mindset. There is nothing stopping you from achieving greatness. It's all within. And it's just about a matter of you discovering that. That's it.
Bam.
W's in the chat.
Can we get the water some shit?
Casper's the fucking
I'm the commentator. What?
Wait, boys.
Can we get a little? What are your names?
All right, guys. You're walking in to the middle of the fight club.
Music, bro.
Okay. Gotcha. I'm the DJ, guys. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted. What type of music you want, sir? Bro, it's like high frequency? High frequency. Are you ready, good sir?
Oh, I'm ready. I don't know if my opponent is ready.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, it's teacher versus student. Really wrong. You go like 10% head, 90% body. Like 10%. Yeah. Beautiful. That's how it's done. Let's do it. Alright guys, another student versus, what's your name?
Darius, bro. Darius.
Darius versus Alex. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Bam.
Good.
Brain cells down the drain. We're now drunk naturally and from outside sources. All right, guys. Well, that's how you do it out here in Pattaya. It's been an absolute banger, absolute pleasure having you guys around. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, I mean, I need to go to the tower.